Do you like golden?
Yes.
What color is it?
It's bright. It's orange.
What are they?
They are grapes.
Leaves. Do you like the leaves?
Yes.
Good.
It's a boat.
Good job.
It's a house. It's a head. It's an ice cream.
Good job. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Okay. Cindy, can you show me letter I? I. Good job. What is it?
It's an insect.
Good job.
Jump. It's a jacket.
Jacket. What color is your jacket?
It's green and yellow.
Good job. What is it?
It's a pie. It's a key.
Good job. What color is your key?
It's golden.
Good job. Can you show me letter K?